Hi guys, we're going to be making fluffy Dulce De Leche dessert. This is a 9 by 13 inch baking dish that I sprayed the bottom with nonstick cooking spray. And I have 3 cups of graham crackers that took 24 whole sheets, and I've ground them up in the food processor. That is 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and I'm going to mix this together. I've melted 10 tablespoons of salted butter and poured it in the bottom of my baking dish, and I'm going to go ahead and start sprinkling the graham cracker crumbs on the bottom of this, and you want to get them evenly distributed through it. I used the bottom of my measuring cup to help even it out, and then I took my hands and I lightly pressed it down. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm going to bake this for 10 minutes. I'm going to let that cool completely, and while it's cooling, I'm going to get started on the next layer. I have an 8-ounce package of cream cheese that's been softened to room temperature, and I'm going to go ahead and whip this up a couple seconds. I'm adding to this 1 cup of sour cream, and we're going to mix this till it's combined. And now I'm folding in 1 8-ounce container of frozen whipped topping that's been defrosted. Okay, so I'm using an offset spatula, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spread this out evenly. In another bowl, I have whipped up 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese that's been softened to room temperature, and I'm going to add a 13.4-ounce can of Dulce De Leche, and I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. If I am, I'm sorry. And I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. And now I'm stirring in another 8-ounce whipped topping that's been thawed, and I'm not folding this one in, I'm stirring this one in. And now I'm going to spread this layer on evenly. And this is the final layer. It's another whipped topping that's been thawed. And I'm going to spread this on evenly. So there'll be 3 layers and the crust. And now I'm sprinkling on 1/3 cup of chopped pecans and making a mess while I do it. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours uncovered. Now you can put it in the refrigerator overnight if you want, but you need to loosely cover it with some plastic wrap. Here's the fluffy Dulce De Leche dessert, and thank you guys for watching.